I'm so happy to announce the result of IOQJS exam, which is Indian Olympiad Qualifier for Junior Science. ये एग्जाम वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन है और लास्ट ईयर तक ये दो पार्ट में होता था. पहला पार्ट NSEJS बोलते थे, which was National Standard Examination in Junior Science, और सेकेंड स्टेज होता था INJSO, तो इंडियन नेशनल जूनियर साइंस ओलंपियाड. ये एग्जाम एज के स्पेसिफिक होता है और जो बच्चे 8th में 9th में और कुछ बच्चे 10th के भी इस एग्जाम में अपियर हो सकते हैं. और ये इस साल IOQJS बन गया है, विच इज इंडियन ओलंपियाड क्वालिफायर फॉर जूनियर साइंस. और जो बच्चे पेपर 1 क्वालिफाई करेंगे वही बच्चे एलिजिबल हैं पेपर 2 को देने के लिए. सो पेपर 1 में बहुत कम बच्चे क्वालिफाई होते हैं. इंडिया में बहुत सारे बच्चे अपियर होते हैं और इन हजारों बच्चों में से केवल 310 बच्चे ही पहला स्टेज क्वालिफाई करते हैं. 16 स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्रॉम वेदांतु. Isn't it great? And I'm so happy to announce that Vedant was able to score 77 in this toughest examination of the country and of the world. अगर आपका सपना या आपका मंजिल भी ओलंपियाड एग्जाम को क्लियर करना है तो वेदांतु के साथ एनरोल कीजिए and become a Vedant and with us clear this examination confidently.
Hi students, a very warm welcome to today's session. I am Ankana, your master teacher for social sciences at Vedanta, hoping all of you guys are doing absolutely fine and amazing. So very warm welcome to another session of Sprint X 2021 for ICSE class 10th. So guys, today we are going to finish minerals and energy resources. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's session with this amazing quotation which says, if you dream it, you can do it. Basically, what we're trying to say is, if you have the strength, the courage, the power, the imagination, the creativity to think of it, then why do you think you will not be able to achieve it? If your brain can imagine it, you certainly have the strength, the skill, the power to achieve it. So if you can dream of it, you can think of it, you can achieve it. So never let anything stop you. Okay, so with that amazing quotation, let's discuss the previous session's homework questions answer. And the answer is that these are the pipelines or drains that carry rainwater from the catchment or rooftop area to the harvesting system. So this is related actually to water harvest, water conservation. So that is your homework answers, homework questions answer. Moving on to our leaderboard is, so guys, actually we have taken the leaderboard immediately after the session. So we've just got one name. It's Prince Patwa. I'm sure most students would have answered after this. We will pick up your names also and talk about it in the next session. But for now, let's move on. And Prince Patwa, my heartiest congratulations to you, Bacha. Super proud of you. For the students, guys, just letting you know that in order to make it to the leaderboard, you need to put your answers not just in the live chat but in the comment section. Okay, and you have to subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification the moment the session is premiered or gets live, so that you watch the session on time and you answer the questions on time before anyone else and make your place on the leaderboard. On that note, guys, hit the like button right now if you have not already. Share the video with your friends if they're not aware about Sprint X series. If they're not watching this session, just make sure to do that. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's move on and quickly talk about vote. I think I expect that most of you have voted now, because it's not just an exam, it's your comeback, which we at Vedantu have pledged for. We have already pledged for that through voting, which you can of course do without even being of 18-year-old, you get to appear for this Vedantu online talent exam, which started on 28th of March. Now bacha, obviously these two papers are over, so 18th April and 11th April is going to be your target. Do not miss on that, because this is all India level live exam, which is going to be absolutely free. You get in-depth performance analysis, guaranteed scholarships of up to 90%. You can win amazing prizes daily of rupees, worth rupees 1 crore. But the mega prizes that you either get to be the CEO of Vedanta for one day, or you can also get to go to NASA United States, all expense paid, fully sponsored educational trip. Now, these are the mega prizes. What about these things that you can see on screen? All of this is also something that you can win on a daily basis by playing the daily challenges, and you don't have to play this alone. I will tell you how can you play this and get more points to ensure these prizes. Let me first tell you how to get yourself registered. So this is the link where you can do the registration. This is your Telegram group link. For the latest updates, make sure to join this link, guys, this group, I mean. And in order to do your registration, go on this link, put your name, all the details that's asked for, generate your voter ID and pick up the date you want to vote on. You can vote on all 4 days. The best score would be taken, which is in the form of MAT, mental ability test, 40 questions given in 60 minutes, plus 4 for correct answer, minus 1 for negative answer. And as I was telling you that you can get more and more points, that is by making your own groups, by creating your squads where you can create your own army to win these prizes. Isn't it amazing? It's absolutely great, and it's not going to be boring. You can pick up your people, you can pick up your logo. All of this is going to be super duper amazing. Now let's begin with the session. So Bacha, what are we going to do on the minerals and energy resources? So these are the topics that we'll be covering. We'll be talking about mineral resources, conventional sources of energy, and the non-conventional sources of energy as well. So let's get started with the very first question, which is a 1-marker question. We'll finish within 1 minute. What do you understand by the term mineral ore? Where everything is consolidated, where you get it from, the birthplace, right? Jokes apart, guys, metallic mineral are extracted from the earth in raw state. It is known as mineral ore. So basically the place from where this extraction is done is its ore, right? Where it is in abundance, where you find it in abundance and you extract it from there, you take it from there. Moving on to the next question. Now, I hope my camera is not out of focus. I will still quickly check it because it keeps on doing that to me. Moving on to the next question is question number 2. What are the 4 main varieties of coal? So, you know that, for example, some parts you will find one variety, some parts you will find next variety, but you need to know the varieties of coal, the names for that. So, bacha, it is anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat. These are the main 4 varieties of coal that you need to remember. Now see, this is also a 1-marker question. So ideally you're supposed to write like 20 to 30 words, like not more than that. I mean, what I mean is like 2 lines at max. However, sometimes it could also be a 1-word answer, but make sure to frame it in a sentence, because we are not in junior grades to just put 1 word for a 1-marker answer. So just frame it and put your answer forward. Moving on to the next question. Again, bache, this is a 1-marker question. Now, what does the question say? The question says that write any 2 uses of bauxite besides manufacture of aluminium. So we know that bauxite helps over here, but apart from this, what are other uses? Can you guys think of other uses? Bacho, can you think of other uses? If not, here it is. Bacho, it is used in tanning leather and refining mineral oil. So these are, see, 2 uses here itself that has been mentioned. So you can actually split it in this from this point also. You can split it. Okay, then used in place of iron sheets where durability is not required. So it can also be used over here in these factories. So you know the uses of bauxite. So this was also a 1-marker question, and you can see we have winded up somewhere between 20 to 30 words. Moving on to the next question. Where are oil deposits largely found in India? So when we are talking about India, where are the large oil deposits found? But you can mention any of the parts. You know that we have a lot of, sorry, we have a lot of refineries, but the question is saying that you have to mention firstly the largest one. So we will definitely talk about first of all the largest one, but apart from that, Digboy etc. is also something that we have, right? So oil deposits are largely found in India and offshore sea near Mumbai, Mumbai High, we all are aware of, right? Okay. Moving on to the next question, Bacha, you can see this is also a 1-marker question. Which state is leading producer of the following minerals? Of coal, oil, manganese. I hope you guys are able to guess this easily. For that matter, even the first one. So first one, Bacha, you have to remember, even if you remember nothing, that it comes from Chota Nagpur Plateau. So where in Chota Nagpur Plateau? Jharkhand. See, we just spoke about this, that it is near Mumbai offshore, right? Now, where is Mumbai? Maharashtra. That's why I said that you should be easily be able to guess this. For manganese, it is Orissa. But the Chota Nagpur Plateau in total, some part of West Bengal, Bihar, mostly Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Orissa comprises of, is like a hub for all of these mineral ores, where all of these minerals in these areas are found in abundance. All these you will find in large quantities. We have discussed this even during the sessions, so always remember this, right? Now another thing that you need to remember about is the Vedantu Pro subscription. Now what about this subscription? So let me quickly introduce you to this subscription, and I'm sorry, I think I've switched to full screen. I'll quickly switch back. Yeah. So guys, these subscriptions gives you opportunity to attend unlimited live sessions. So what I'm trying to say is that anywhere you may find live sessions, it's not unusual to find live sessions even on YouTube. But there is a certain limitation over it, right? But over here with Vedantu, you would have no defined numbers. You can attend as many sessions as you want. Best part is all these sessions comes with a lot of quizzes. Hence, you do not have to wait for Menti anymore, because all these quizzes are not just going to make it super fun, but also give you a lot of exposure. Now, how are these quizzes going to give you exposure? Because you get to compete with the students throughout the world. People spread out around the world are going to be attending this session, and you are going to play with them. So imagine the exposure that you are getting. Not just that. Let's say if you have missed the session, then what? Of course, replays are going to be there, but replays are boring. But now what is not going to happen? Boring is not going to happen. Not anymore. Why? Because even the replay sessions are now going to be interactive with the live quizzes, which means what? Let me quickly explain to you. So when you are actually watching the replays, you're not able to interact, you're not able to chat, you're watching a video which has already been played, and it gets very boring. So you want something to interact with, right? You want something to keep you on focus. Now these quizzes are going to give you the feel of live sessions, because you get to be on the leaderboard. If you score enough, more than the students who were there in the live sessions, you can still make it to the leaderboard, because you can play the quizzes just like live sessions even in the replays. How amazing is that? Now the content is something that I need to not talk about, because you know guys that it's already pretty amazing. But what is more amazing is that you can now download this content, keep it on your phone, tabs, laptops, PCs, wherever you want to have them, wherever, whenever. And the best part is that it comes with the handwritten notes of the master teachers. As far as the doubts are concerned, over here also you would be asking doubts, but sometimes the sessions are premiered. Even if it is live, it gets difficult for me to answer these questions. But over here you might be thinking, ma'am, then how would you be able to answer it in the live session? But because here we have dedicated teachers along with the master teachers. The class teachers are there to make sure that your doubts are resolved, to take care of the resolution of your doubts. How amazing is that? Now after every session, assignments are shared with you. Now these assignments, if you feel difficulty in resolving, you do your check for understanding from the sessions and you feel that you've not understood so well, you always have an opportunity to go back and relearn. How will you relearn? I'll tell you within a second. But before that, let me quickly also tell you that the tests are shared monthly. That's amazing, right? Every month you get to assess your understanding, your knowledge. Now, as I was telling you that you can relearn through the micro courses. All these are chapter specific. These are chapter specific courses. You get to learn it through these sessions. Just in case if you feel that, hey, I did not understand this, I want to relearn this, and I do not want to watch the replay, you always have an opportunity to go back to the micro sessions and do that. On top of it, there are multiple crash courses for NTSE, for revisions, etc., other competitive exams that keeps on happening, which all is going to be absolutely free for you, making less a lot more. Now, how much is it going to cost you? But it will just cost you 11.7 rupees and 11.43 rupees respectively for 1 month and 1 year plan per session, guys, per session, less than your packet of kurkure. How amazing is that? So that is all it is going to cost, and these are the sessions when it's going to start for this new academic year. Okay, new academic year. This is these are the dates for CBSE, ICSE and Maharashtra board for 9th and 10th. Now this is for the old academic year, which means from 2020, the corona year, to this year. Now for CBSE we have a crash course running. You can join this crash course. It's a 1 month course which will ensure your entire revision. So please make sure to join this and watch these videos, the sessions, attend these sessions. Live revision sessions going to help you a lot. Now where can you get this? All you need to do is go in the link given in the description box. It is also pinned in the comment section, and apply the code AKPRO, and you are going to be super sorted. Why? Because you're going to get some amazing discounts with these codes. No matter whether you're taking admission for 9th, for 10th, for 11th, or for anybody else in any other grades and your siblings, just make sure to apply this code and you guys are going to be super sorted. Now let me quickly show you how can you do that. So bacha, this is your, let's say, the video. Okay, this is the video. Let's say if you're watching any video that you watch that I have done, you just have to scroll down. When you scroll down, the link for the Vedantu vote examination will be on top, and after that you will also get to see the Vedantu Pro subscription link. See, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. So that is where you're supposed to click, and you will be taken to this page where you get to choose your plan. You choose your plan, you choose your grade, and the code will automatically get applied. Even if it doesn't get applied, you know that you're supposed to apply the AKEPRO code. That's what you're supposed to apply, and you can see it's applied over here. So the plan which was for 2800 is now going to cost you only 2340. How amazing is that? Not just that, if let's say you want to attend, you want to see how your sessions are going to be. So these are your upcoming sessions. Okay, this is how you will see the upcoming sessions which are going to happen. After that, you also get to see the sessions which have already happened in the past and watch the replays, as I'm going to show you over here. So if I want to watch the replay, I just have to scroll down. Okay, I will scroll down. I'll see these many quizzes are happening. These many doubts were asked, and all these doubts, you can see 30 doubts asked, 30 doubts solved. All of this was done, and you can watch the replay right over here. Even if you want to get the notes, you just have to go here and get the notes, and you will get to download these notes. So you can just click on this button over here to download, and these are the notes from our site, which also comes with the handwritten notes of the master teachers. How amazing is that, right? You always wanted the handwritten notes, and it's going to be there on your own system, not going to go anywhere. Not just that, now let me quickly go back and show to you that for students, especially in 10th grade, you want to always have a look at your notes, sample papers, tests. So all of these tests is what has happened, and you will have access to all of the tests. You can see we have subjective tests, objective tests, all kind of tests are there that you get to watch. Okay, so okay, sorry guys, coming back, we're gonna switch back to the session. And on that note, a quick reminder that do not forget to take this subscription. Moving on to question number 6. Okay, so this is your 6th question, which is a 2-marker question, right? So let me quickly switch the color of the pen, otherwise you guys would be like, ma'am, we are not able to see the red ink. Okay, which variety of coal is used for domestic purposes and why? See, the reason is also being discussed over here, so you don't have to worry. 30 to 40 words is ideally that we will use to write a 2-marker questions answer. So bacha, we know that bituminous is what is used regularly. The reason is that it has 70 to 80% of carbon content and accounts for 98% of the total reserves. So because it is available in large amounts compared to others, right? For example, coking coal is so difficult to find. But yeah, in general, that becomes a challenge for the iron and steel industry. So all I'm trying to tell you is that if you want to use something on a daily basis for home, for household purposes, you need things which are available for you in proper amount. So this is what you have to make sure, and plus the carbon content, which will provide enough heat and generate enough energy. So the carbon content, this high content, helps with the heat and energy. Cool. Moving on to the next question, question number 7, 2-marker question. Let's finish in 2 minutes. What is lignite? Name 2 areas where lignite is found in India. We know it's a type of coal which refers to the inferior variety. So this is not so good variety. Not so good variety of coal, right? And about 40% of carbon and good amount of moisture and less of combustible matter is found in lignite. Tamil Nadu and Gujarat are 2 states where lignite is found in India. Moving on to the next question. What is offshore drilling? What do you mean by Mumbai High? So remember, we discussed this already. Let's have more details about this. So bacha, when ONGC, the Oil and Natural Gas Commission of India since 1956 has started oil exploration in offshore areas, which is known as offshore drilling. So basically, the area in which the drilling, the exploration, the refinery is happening, that determines what is meant by it, and it basically means offshore drilling. Now in 1973 it has begun drilling for oil in deep water off the western coast of Mumbai, which is known as Mumbai High. So this is the place where it is explored. Moving on to the next question, but it is a 3-marker question. We will move from 80 to 100, 40 to 60 words, probably like 60 to 80 words, not 80 to 100, I'm sorry. 60 to 80 words is going to be your limit. This is where you're going to stay. So give 4 economic uses of mineral resources. So you have to basically describe 4 uses. Mineral resources are used in so many things, right? We know basic, basis of industries, it's based on this. Means of communications depends on them. Their source of energy, coal, petroleum. They're used in earning foreign exchange by exports. So many things for development, for electricity, so many purposes that you can, put in here. Name any uses and advantages according to you, okay? Moving on to the last question of today's session. It's also a 3-marker question. Question number 10. Mention 2 products of an oil refinery. Name 2 oil refineries in India. 1 along the coast and 1 away from the coast. So one we have already we have some idea. So but your product of oil refineries are lubricants and kerosene. Now oil refinery along the coast is in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and oil refinery away from the coast is in Assam, in Bongaigaon. So these are your 2 places where you can find oil refineries, offshore and onshore both. So with this, bache, we have finished all of this, and this slide is here by mistake. I think we forgot to change this. So with this, we have actually finished minerals and energy resources, all conventional, non-conventional, conventional and non-conventional, all are done. And of course the basic mineral resources. So we have finished that. Now this brings me to the to your homework question, which is the largest coal field in India? Very interesting question. Make sure to put your answer not just in the live chat but actually in the comment section. That is where we will pick up our leaderboard winners from. Now a quick reminder about the Vedantu Pro subscription. Again guys, you have to go on YouTube, scroll down in the description box, you'll find the Pro subscription link. Just click on it and everything will automatically flow in front of you. And do not forget to use this coupon code. This is what will give you the discount. So people, with this we have come to the end of the session. I was super excited for this session. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. Whatever your answers are, make sure to put it in the comment section, and do not forget to hit the like button and share the video. I will see you you guys in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself, guys. Bye bye. Have a great time ahead. Have a great day. Stay home. Take care. Bye.